My lovely wife, Nila. Oh! Children, Kim Jan, Hazel Ann, John Rainier, and Oliver Jan. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Are you with me tonight? You know, if I may recall, during my first month in college, in our Rotary, ROTC here, Sundays, I always finish the day going to church and pray to God unceasingly that I will grow even 4 inches. But it never happened. But lo and behold, God gave me everything. Yeah? And I'm 6 feet taller right now in front of you. As I reflect on what I'm going to say with you tonight, it brings me to the Rotary's motto, service above self. And if you look at it, we should have the character of compassion, humility, perseverance, and love. Without these 4 characters, we could hardly commit the Rotary's motto. That's why it seems to me like a magic, seeing Rotarians traveling in the remote areas just to distribute relief goods. It seems to me a magic, seeing Rotarians combine the resources just to build homes for the victims of earthquakes and typhoons. And it seems to be a magic, seeing Metro de Jalgas built a 2.5-kilometer water supply lines in the mountains of Sitio Nabon in Barangay Kinang in Malampatan, Sarangani Province. That's Rotary's magic. Wow! That is why the second motto of Rotary is, one who profits most serves best. Kabalon, nagtuon ko. And you know what it means? It's not a profit per se. The profit we mean is the smile and joy of the people benefited by Rotary's at work. That's the profit we earn. And the many people, we made them smile, the bigger our profit earned, and our big passport going to heaven. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank God for everything He has given me. Actually, I could not be here standing in front of you due to the health condition of my wife. But my boss says, you are Sammy boy who never learns to quit, but people push. And to my children, as mentioned already, and to our company at which Mechanical Innovations and General Construction Incorporated, they are with me through thick and thin. And my family at the Rotary Club of Metro de Jalgas, who poured their resources, and to our ladies circle, who went through rigorous training just to make this 45th induction and handover ceremonies an outstanding success, outstanding about. And to you, all of you, and the distinguished guests, headed by Governor, my district governor, our district governor, Caroline B. Andrade, and all the Rotarians here present, maraming salamat po mula sa kaitiburan ng aking puso. I want to seal this speech with me a song as presented to me by Secretary P.D. Matondo, Music Maestro. Dahil lang, 2 minutes lang. Okay lang. Huwag ko yung miss you. Pero puro tayo. Mga I have my share of life's ups and downs. Friends will hide, the loves have been through. The spirit settled that ever happened to me. Thanks a lot. I would like to call in immediate Pastor Alvin.